Here's my Jeep. But more importantly, I got this running again. But I've said that before. Let's just see if it breaks down again. Put on a new coil. Right there. I can't even get my finger in there. There it is, right there. These spark plugs, I cleaned off the ground right there. Cleaned off the ground right there. And I cleaned off the ground right down in there. Now, check this out. Ready to take the axle out. I wanted to see if my tractor could pick up the back end of this Explorer. Heck yeah. I'd go a little higher with it, but I don't need to.